2 eggs on the base of the breakfast maker. A little salt, a little pepper, a little mixing. Ready to go in the microwave for a minute and a half. And we will have a whole egg to make an egg sandwich. Super fast. Okay, while the egg was getting ready, I got the bread ready. So now I'm just gonna cut it in half. And slide it right onto the bread. Less than 2 minutes to make an egg sandwich, guys. Super easy. The hardest part is doing it with one hand. While I'm videotaping. Alright, let's see. Come on, little egg. There we go. That was the hardest part, doing it with one hand. And there you have it. An egg sandwich in less than 2 minutes. Super easy. Don't go without eating your breakfast.